Good morning student. Now I am going to explain you the next topic of this lesson, that is the movement of animal. In the previous video I explained you how the land animal and water animal do the movement. Today we are going to study how the insect and birds do the movement. So let's start from the insects. So number of insects are present in our surrounding. For example, grasshopper, butterfly, cockroaches, bedbug, etc. These are the insects are present in our surrounding. How they do the movement, that we are going to study. So these insects have the joint legs, 6 legs or the 8 legs. Through this joint leg they do the movement. Okay, these insects like the cockroaches, and they use their legs for crawling. They crawl by their short legs. Okay, the grasshopper uses it the hind leg for the jumping purpose. Okay, for hopping. Water insect like the water insect name is given in your book, that is a water boatmeal. It uses its hind leg as a oar for swimming in the water. Some insects have one or two pairs of wings also. These wings they use for the flying purpose. The wings of these insects is different from the birds. Okay, these insect wings do not have the feather, strong muscles, or the in this way they do not have the feather, strong muscles, or bone is not be present in their wings. But then they also have the wings, and their wings are made up of tiny scale. Okay, and these wings they are used for the flying purposes. Their wings are made up of colored scale. Their wings are made up of colored scale. So they move with the help of their chest muscle. They move their wings by the chest muscle. And these insects, some insects such as the lice or the bedbug, they are also insects, but they do not have the wings. They do not fly from one place to other. Then how they do the movement? They can move by the crawling. They have very short leg, and by that they can crawl. So what we studied, how the animals, how the insect do the movement. Insects do the movement by their short leg, and their movement we use the word crawling. Now let's move towards next topic, that is the birds. How do the birds can do the movement? Okay, so we all know that birds fly in the air. Okay, for flying they have the wings. So the two wings of the bird are nothing but the forelimb. Okay, and the two legs they are having, that is the hind leg. The forelimbs of the birds are in the form of wings, and it is used for the flying purpose. The wings have the feathers. The wings covered by the feather, and in this way they are helping them for the flying. The wings are attached with the chest bone. The wings are attached with the breastbone or chest bone of the bird, and with the help of these wings they can fly at a high level. Okay, and when these birds come down, when they come down on the land, or we can say when they land on the ground after the flight, they use the hind limb or legs, we can say. They use their legs or hind limb for the landing purpose. Now their hind limb, these hind limbs they use for the scratching, for holding things, and hopping, perching, etc. For this purpose they are using their hind limb. Again I am repeating, birds use their hind limb for holding, for scratching, for holding the prey, and attacking the animal, etc. For this purpose they are using the hind limb. Now the birds are having the wings, we all know, but all the birds are not able to fly. For example, ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguin. These are the animal. Sorry, penguin is not here. That is the ostrich, and what I tell here, ostrich, emu. These are having the wings, but they are not able to fly. Okay, because they are having a very more weight. They are heavy in a weight, and their wings are not so we can say their wings are not so strong for take the flight. Okay, so we are saying them are the flightless birds. Okay, kiwi is also one of the flightless bird. Emu, ostrich, rhea, kiwi also given I think in their textbook. Kiwi, penguin also. These are the flightless birds. So what we studied, how the birds do the movement. Birds do